How to get Revolve promo code. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into any of the web browser. Let me move into Chrome. Now in the search bar, use the search for Revolve promo code. Well, tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one for now. Once you're in this page, you will be able to see tons of different offers and discounts. From here, you can search for the specific one that you wanted. Let me select 20% off. Click on See Details. You will get to see the promo code. Click on Copy in order for you to copy the promo code. Now, you need to head over to your application Revolve and then paste this promo code in the section that you're asked to. If the promo code is valid, then you will be able to receive certain amount of discount and offers, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.